Helmet, it's a passion. A passion for motorcycle, a passion for design, a passion for safety. When I see the helmet, I really enjoy to get the wish to pick up the helmet and check everything on the helmet, to be immediately involved with the helmet. First of all, we really try to have kind of a continuous identity in all the range of the helmet. So when the end user sees the helmet, immediately identify with the NEXX helmet. The first point when we design is, of course, safety. Second is the comfort of the helmet. But at the end is the design, the perfect design, the passion of the good-looking helmet. That is the big steps we put on the design of the helmet. So the open space, we call it the fuel, because it's the sparkling area for everything on the helmets. Sharing ideas, discussion ideas. So we join the creative people, we join the sales team, we join the marketing, product design, R&D, to be different, to challenge all as a team to look for something new. The main advantage of the R&D is to keep all the technology of the company in-house. So we don't depend on nobody. Most of the guys in R&D are motorcycle fans. So in a very, very quick way, we can develop 2 or 3 different designs, prototype, and go to a road test and check out the best performance. It's the best way, in a very quick way, to achieve the best product for the end user. Touring adventure. We're people that really enjoy to pick up the bike and just go. This kind of the helmet, we really need to work a lot in off-road performance, high-speed performance, because we are putting this peak. So we have done a lot of road tests. We don't feel the air friction. We don't feel the noise of the air going through the peak. So we develop this ventilation with a very, very good grip here. Also very simple to open and close. We work a lot in the comfort. We use complete sealing of the visor. We use rubber sealings for also the chin bar. We work a lot in the new color, and with the very high-tech materials we develop directly with our suppliers. We were able to achieve a very good comfort in terms of noise. I'm an adventure biker, so I really enjoy to drive in adventure bikes. So I developed my helmet almost. And also we have the partnership with Touratech. That is a very important partnership with us. It's a kind of combining the wish of the 2 brands for the same product. So in this collection we are continuing to achieve performance. We are one of the good manufacturers in carbon helmets. In this collection we reinforce with some new products. We use the base of a high-performance carbon shell. All as a team, we are very proud for the 2020 collection. It was a very hard work. We developed many ideas. We are really proud, and I think you will too.